What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great, and welcome to Roman Percussion. My name is Will Roman. On this channel, I upload different rhythms as well as tips to help you as a percussionist. So if that interests you, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a like on this video, as it really helps the channel and allows YouTube to share this video with other percussionists. Today, I'm going to show you one of my favorite grooves that I've heard from one of my personal favorite congueros of all time out of New York, Little Johnny Rivero. Let's get started. So, Little Johnny, also known as Pequeño Johnny. Little Johnny Rivero was born in East Harlem, New York, and he actually started music as a dancer. As a young boy, he danced in some of the best clubs out of New York, such as Copacabana and the Palladium. At 13 years old, Little Johnny recorded 2 albums with Orquesta Colón. That was actually the youngest group in New York City, the Latin group in New York City, and it was a group full of teenagers. Pretty amazing, huh? And in 1974 is where he joined La Sonora Ponceña. Lil Johnny spent 16 years with La Sonora Ponceña, and actually after that is when he landed with the master Eddie Palmieri. Lil Johnny has been able to play with 2 of the very best and top tier pianists in the salsa genre, something that not all percussionists or congueros have the chance to do. Lil Johnny's playing is some of my personal favorite, filled with tons of melodic lines and just ideas that just flow. Everything that Lil Johnny plays, it's like a conversation. And I was blessed to actually see Lil Johnny play some years ago with Eddie Palmieri, and I also met him as well. Really nice guy, an amazing player, and it was just phenomenal to watch him. A lot of people know of Lil Johnny for his playing with La Sonora Ponceña as a conga player. However, when Lil Johnny came into the group, he actually started as a bongo player. After a year and a half of playing bongos with La Sonora Ponceña, he then became their official conguero. One of La Sonora Ponceña's most famous songs, Yambeque, Lil Johnny is actually the conguero on that song. It's one of the most revered conga solos of all time, and absolutely one of the most played songs that you hear in clubs. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the song down in the description. Some of Lil Johnny's influences are Ray Barreto, Mongo Santa Maria, Jose Mangual Sr., and even La Sonora Ponceña. He grew up listening to all those artists and bands with his father. Lil Johnny's playing is super respected all over the world, and there's a lot of people that actually see him and they either call him Yambeque or they will refer to him, based on Pequeño Johnny, or just, remembering those memories from when he played with La Sonora Ponceña. He's just so well known for the 18 albums that he did with La Sonora Ponceña. Yes, 18 albums that he did. He was in the band from 1974 until 1990. So the groove I'm going to show you today is actually a pretty cool groove that Lil Johnny does. I heard it on the song Oye Lo Que Te Conviene by legend Eddie Palmieri. Here's a little snippet of him playing it with Eddie Palmieri's band alongside Anthony Carrillo doing an amazing bongo solo. It's going to be hard to not pay attention to Anthony, but check this out, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to play it. It's not gonna sound nothing like Lil Johnny, but I'm gonna do my best. Hope you guys enjoy it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be sure to leave a like on this video. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and I'll see you next Friday. Peace.